Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your list of blocked players on Xbox One. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch your Xbox and sign in to your Xbox Live account. Now click on the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Move to the left a few times till you get to the Sign In tab and then click on your profile. Now select My Profile. From your profile, click on the Social tab. Select Following from the left sidebar. Click where it says Everything and then select Blocked. A list of users who you've blocked will now appear. You can unblock them easily from here by going into their profiles, selecting More and then Unblock. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.